Welcome back, students. This is the last point of index number topic, that is limitations of index number. Let us understand what are the limitations of index number. Index numbers are useful in practice. However, they suffer from certain limitations. Therefore, they are not completely reliable. Number 1, limitation based on samples. Index numbers are generally based on samples. We cannot include all the atoms in the construction of index numbers. So, they are not free from sampling errors. That means whatever sample we are selecting, that can be also not correct. So, that sampling errors can happen. Second, bias in data. Index numbers are constructed on the basis of various types of data which may be incomplete. There may be bias in data collection. This is bound to affect the results of index number. So sometimes we get the favorable data and that cannot be correct also. Next, misuse of index number. Index numbers can be misused. They compare a situation in the current year with a situation in the base year. So, a person may choose a base year which will be suitable for his purposes. For example, a businessman may choose a year in which his profit is higher as a base year and show that his profit is falling in the current year. So that is a general practice, it always happens. So there is a misuse of index number. Next, defects in formula. There is no perfect formula for the construction of the index number. It is only an average. So it has all the limitations of an average. So formula can be also defective. Next, changes in economy. The habits, tastes, expectations of the people in a country always changing, and all the changes cannot be included in the estimation of index number. Next, qualitative changes. The price and quantity index number may ignore the changes in the qualities of the products. At any given time, a better quality commodity will have higher production cost and higher price than the ordinary commodity which is suitable for the better product. Next, arbitrary weights. The weights assigned to different commodities may be arbitrary. And the last, limited scope. An index number has limited scope because if it is constructed for one purpose, then it cannot be used for any other purpose. So these are the limitations of index number. There are 8 points and you have to give all the 8 points. The question can be, explain the limitations of index number. All the 8 points you have to give. Here your topic, index number topic, is over. Thank you.